This is a mechanical boss. This allows you to connect a waste pipe from a basin or a shower into a soil stack. These are very useful because these can actually be used on cast iron pipe as well as plastic pipe. These are actually made by McAlpine, and these make very good quality plastic pipe and fittings. In order to use this, you need to drill a 57mm hole in the soil stack. To fit one of these, it's very easy. I will give you a demonstration of that on a cast iron soil stack in a minute. But essentially, all you need is that special tool. On the inside there you have a rubber ring, and this part in there is actually threaded. So you can push that special tool in there and you can actually turn it, and you turn it a maximum of 3 times in an anti-clockwise direction. That will make the rubber bung swell up because that will be pulled in. And that actually grips the inside of the hole very tightly. You then remove the special tool. You can then undo this end. It is important that you get the correct one of these because there are 2 different sizes. You can get one suitable for 32mm pipe and one suitable for 40mm pipe. It is important that you get this the correct way around on the soil stack, and you will notice that it says top on there. That's because it actually has a 5-degree fall built in. You can then insert your waste pipe, and then you can simply tighten up the compression nut. And that will seal the waste pipe to the soil stack. So once you've cut the hole and deburred it, you take it, ensuring you've got it the correct way with top at the top. Simply push that in the hole. You then insert the special key. And then you turn that a maximum of 3 turns in an anti-clockwise direction. 1, 1.5, 2. And that's actually gone very tight now. So once it goes that tight, you can be sure that that won't leak. And now remove the special tool. You can then fit the nut, plastic ring, and the tapered rubber washer. And we can connect that directly up to the soil stack. You can also use these on plastic pipe should you wish to do so. So that's it. It's a very simple and easy way of connecting a waste pipe into a soil stack. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel.